May bagong dahilan para mag-food trip sa Clark matapos magbukas ang Firehouse Pizza, ang newest pizzeria sa Philinvest Shop sa Mimosa. Pinangunahan ni Executive Chef Nick Shalbot, dala ng Firehouse ang authentic New York-style pizza na may thin crust at crispy, chewy texture. Perfect para sa iconic NY fold.
Firehouse Pizza, it's all about the dough, right? And it's very special. It's New York style and it's sourdough. There's been a lot of research and development into getting this pizza dough super tasty. So you have to come and try it.
Bukod sa classic pepperoni, tampok din ang signature Firehouse Pizza na pwedeng i-customize ang cheese ayon sa panlasa ng customer. Hindi lang pizza ang ino-offer ng restaurant ha, may lineup din itong chicken dishes, pasta, fresh salads, pati craft cocktails at wines, making it a go-to spot para sa casual dining at hangouts. Sa pagbubukas ng Firehouse Pizza, mas lalo pang lumalawak ang dining options sa Clark na patuloy na dinadayo ng mga food lovers sa rehiyon. This is Patricia Mamangun on the spot.